Good Friday evening, everyone. Welcome back to Weather with Sim again. I hope you guys are all having a great day so far. And in today's weather forecast, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics, and we'll also be taking a look at the threats for flash flooding. The reason why we're not taking a look at the severe weather threats is because we did earlier. So if you guys want to know what those still are, you guys can look at the last video. But I also did get a new thumbnail, and I think you guys probably do really like it because I think it's really cool. So if you guys do like my thumbnail, make sure to like and subscribe because that did cost a lot of money to make. Plus, you guys can even let me know down below if you guys like it, and that will definitely help me out a lot. But let's go ahead and first start off with what's happening in the Atlantic Ocean right now. And as you guys can see, we got a system over here that did come off of Africa, and it's already having a small chance of development in the next 7 days. Not a high chance because it's only a 20, but we could still very well be seeing some development. But I do think as the system does get closer to Cuba, which is what I did say in my community page, I do think that this will have the highest chance of developing. And of course, Florida should even be on high alert because this could very well move into Florida, or this could even, go past Florida and then move on to shore. So definitely going to be an area to really be watching for as we do head throughout the next few weeks. Let's go ahead and now look at the threats for flash flooding. And as you guys can see, we do still have a marginal risk for flash flooding across the Four Corners region, heading into Wyoming, and as well as South Dakota, heading into Nebraska. But even though down here towards the Houston and New Orleans region, those will be areas to still watch for tonight, as we could see a few inches of rainfall. But otherwise, chances for flash flooding will be low in most areas. So, still got to be at least paying attention a little bit, as we could still be seeing some inches of rainfall in some areas. Then, as we do head into tomorrow, okay, as you can see, we could very well also be seeing some flash flooding tomorrow, especially across the Houston metro area, which will look like we'll be needing to be watching that area the highest. Otherwise, like I said, flash flood threats do remain quite low, but we will still be keeping an eye on it. And then last but not least, on day 3, which will be for Sunday, as you guys can see, 2 slight risk for flash flooding, one across the Kentucky-Tennessee River valleys heading into southern Indiana, and then another one up here towards the Dakotas heading into Minnesota. Both of those areas do need to really be paying attention as we do head into Sunday. Then let's go ahead and look at what we can expect for severe weather. And like I said, we're not taking a look at severe weather threats, but I'm at least going to show you guys what we could be seeing as we do head into next week. And as you guys can see, we could be seeing some pretty high chances for some supercells next week, which is severe weather, by the way, and that's mainly going to be across the St. Louis region, as those pink colors indicate the highest chance of a supercell shown on this map. So that's about 15 out of 35. That's a pretty high chance of a supercell, so you should definitely be aware about that Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning if you do live around the St. Louis region. And then same goes as we do head into Wednesday also. Look at that, still some pretty high chances for some supercells in some areas. Not all areas, but some areas. So those areas will also need to be on high alert. But thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys like my new thumbnail, make sure to leave it down below so that way I know you guys really do. Or you guys can even like and subscribe down below too as well, which would really be greatly appreciated after spending quite a bit of money on that. So definitely make sure to like and subscribe down below, but also let me know if you guys do like this new thumbnail so I can keep you guys updated.